Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known for its rich heritage and stunning scenery, Hanoi has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Hanoi's cityscape is a fascinating mix of old and new. On one side, you will find ancient temples, pagodas, and traditional Vietnamese architecture reflecting the city's deep history. On the other hand, modern skyscrapers and bustling markets demonstrate the rapid development and urbanization taking place in Hanoi. As a popular tourist destination, Hanoi offers visitors a wide range of attractions and activities. From iconic landmarks such as the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and the Temple of Literature to bustling markets such as Dong Xin Market and Long Bien Market, there is something for everyone in this charming city. When planning a visit to Hanoi, it is recommended that you take some time to explore the Old Quarter. This historic district is known for its narrow streets filled with traditional handicraft stores, street food vendors, and charming colonial-era buildings. It truly captures the essence of Hanoi's cultural heritage. In recent years, Hanoi has seen an increase in tourism due to its growing reputation as a tourist destination. Travelers are attracted to Hanoi by its unique combination of history, culture, delicious cuisine, friendly locals known for their hospitality, and beautiful scenery such as Halong Bay nearby. All in all, a visit to Hanoi promises an unforgettable experience filled with cultural heritage, delicious cuisine, and stunning scenery. Whether you are interested in history or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of this charming city, there is something for everyone in Hanoi.